Hello, health enthusiasts. Welcome to this channel. Today, we're exploring an interesting topic. Can sweet potatoes contribute to effective weight loss? Overweight and obesity are indeed significant global health issues. These conditions are associated with an increased risk of various health problems, including diabetes, heart disease, and certain cancers. It's crucial for individuals to maintain a healthy weight through a balanced diet, regular physical activity, and lifestyle modifications. Sweet potato, botanical name Ipomoea batatas, is a starchy root vegetable that belongs to the bindweed or morning glory family Convolvulaceae. These tuberous roots are large, sweet-tasting, and highly versatile in cooking. Sweet potatoes boast various health benefits, including anti-cancer properties, support for gut health, vision improvement, enhanced brain function, and immunity support. Can sweet potatoes, packed with fiber, be your secret weapon for satisfaction and stable blood sugar? Sweet potatoes, packed with fiber, are a weight loss gem. This nutrient-dense vegetable not only fills you up but also supports balanced blood sugar levels, preventing those unwanted spikes. The fiber's role in promoting gut health is a crucial link to maintaining a healthy weight. How can a medium-sized sweet potato fit into your weight loss plan, offering a tasty, low-calorie snack? Planning is key, and sweet potatoes fit right into a well-thought-out weight loss strategy. A medium-sized sweet potato offers a mere 135 calories and 5 grams of fiber. Even with a tablespoon of butter, it's a reasonable snack. Studies show that unlike their white counterparts, sweet potatoes don't pose a weight gain problem, especially when prepared by boiling, reducing their glycemic index and load. Ever thought about controlled sweet potato consumption paired with other veggies for optimal weight management? Not everyone agrees on sweet potatoes being the ultimate weight loss hero. Some suggest controlled portions alongside other veggies for the best results. Balancing your sweet potato intake with other vegetables is recommended for effective weight management. The high fiber content in sweet potatoes is a game changer for weight loss. Beyond stabilizing blood sugar, fiber also suppresses hunger hormones, keeping those cravings at bay. It's a dual-action superhero in your weight loss journey. Now, it is the time to bust myths about sweet potatoes and weight gain. Did you know their sugar content isn't the villain it's made out to be? Let's address a common misconception. Contrary to popular belief, sweet potatoes aren't a weight loss villain due to their sugar content. While they contain more sugar than traditional potatoes, it's about balance. Commercial hype aside, moderation is key, especially if you're aiming for weight loss. How do sweet potatoes contribute to the weight loss puzzle as part of a balanced diet? Are they a magic solution or just a helpful ally? Weight loss is about the calorie deficit, not a magic food. Sweet potatoes, when part of a balanced diet, contribute to weight management. These root vegetables offer nutrients and complex carbohydrates, including the crucial fiber that keeps you feeling full and satisfied for longer. Sweet potatoes offer a range of nutritional benefits that make them a valuable addition to a balanced diet. Sweet potatoes, beyond their delightful taste, offer a rich nutritional profile. In a serving of 3.5 ounces or 100 grams, here's what you're getting. With a modest 86 calories, they serve as a guilt-free option for those mindful of their calorie intake. Additionally, sweet potatoes boast a high water content of 77%, contributing to hydration. In terms of protein, sweet potatoes provide 1.6 grams, contributing to the overall protein intake necessary for a balanced and healthy diet. As a significant source of energy, sweet potatoes contain 20.1 grams of carbohydrates, mainly derived from starches and simple sugars. The fiber content of sweet potatoes is noteworthy, offering 3 grams of both soluble, such as pectin, and insoluble fibers. This fiber composition promotes digestive health and contributes to overall well-being. Furthermore, sweet potatoes are extremely low in fat, containing just 0.1 grams. Examining the glycemic index, GI, sweet potatoes fall within the medium to high range, 44 to 96. It's important to note that the cooking method influences the GI, with boiling resulting in a lower GI compared to baking, frying, or roasting. When considering the starch composition, sweet potatoes consist of rapidly digestible starches 80%, slowly digestible starches 9%, and resistant starches 11%. This diverse starch profile contributes to sustained energy release and other health benefits. In terms of fiber types, sweet potatoes feature both soluble fibers like pectin and insoluble fibers such as cellulose, hemicellulose, and lignin. This combination enhances their positive impact on digestive health and overall well-being. Incorporating sweet potatoes into your diet provides a nutrient-rich option with diverse health benefits. Enjoy them boiled, baked, steamed, or fried, allowing for diverse and delicious meal options. Whether in a comforting soup or as crispy fries, sweet potatoes cater to various taste preferences while maintaining their nutritional integrity. So, there you have it, the sweet truth about sweet potatoes and weight loss. It's not a magic solution, but when included wisely in your diet, sweet potatoes can be a valuable ally in your journey towards a healthier weight. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more science-backed insights, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Stay healthy, everyone.